I was praying close to the door. I ran outside. I couldn't find anything to defend myself. There was a FPOS machine. I picked that one up. As soon as I come outside, I saw the elderly woman and elderly man was shot dead on the ground. And I couldn't see that coward there. I was screaming, yelling, swearing, "Where are you? Come in front." Then I didn't see any sign of him. Then I saw a car was parked in our driveway, which is unusual. And I ran toward that car. Then I saw that coward come out with bulletproof vest, army clothes, helmet with a camera in the front. First I thought there's somebody from the government tried to come for our protection. Then asked this coward, godless person, "Who the hell are you?" He just swearing at me and talked to himself. Then I throw that FPOS machine on his head. You should thank Allah for I didn't catch you on that day. You never forget these two highs you ran from. Assalamu alaikum.